Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have finished editing your Lovable website and want to make it live on the internet, this guide is exactly what you need. In Lovable Website Editor 2026, publishing is simple, but many users get confused about why changes don't appear, which button to click, or whether the site is really live. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to publish your Lovable website in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common publishing problems users face, like websites not live after publishing, old version still shows, publish button missing or disabled, domain not working, changes visible in editor but not online, mobile version not updated. Okay, so open your Lovable website editor. So log into your Lovable account, select your website, click edit website or open editor. Make sure you are in editor mode, not preview mode. Okay, because you have to preview your website before publishing, so this is recommended. So before going live, click preview, check all pages, test links in buttons, check images, text and forms, switch to mobile view. Publishing without preview often leads to a mistake. Okay, so some changes won't publish if they are not saved. So click save, wait for confirmation, and always save before publishing. Okay, so click the publish button. So to publish your website, look for publish and update website, top right corner. Click it once and wait a few seconds. Lovable will build your site, push changes live and updates all pages. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.